mean for them on a cultural level as well.
Landscaper Andy Thompson also worked on the memorial commemorating the 22 people killed in the Manchester Arena terrorist attack.
It's basically a living design that we'll be developing with the people of Grenfell, and so it's really important that that is worked into the ongoing process, for years to come.
While work on creating a permanent memorial is certainly gathering pace, the tower itself continues to be taken down, and there are still people here locally and among bereaved families and survivors who believe Grenfell Tower should have been allowed to stay until justice was achieved. The design team say they will keep listening to the Grenfell community about what they want and need, and create a fitting memorial that will stand the test of time.
Aisha Bucks reporting there. But look now at some other news in the headlines. A 15-year-old boy and a 43-year-old man have appeared in Chelmsford Crown Court charged with the murder of a 12-year-old boy in Essex. Bobby Bloomfield was seriously injured after being hit by a vehicle in Ashwells Road on Sunday. A 34-year-old fraudster who admitted stealing almost £80,000 from would-be London tenants has been jailed. Freddie Priestley from Southwark offered his victims a room to rent in his property and then made excuses why they couldn't move in. He was jailed for just under 3 years. And an asylum hotel in Epping, which has been at the centre of protests, is to close next month. Epping Forest District Council says all asylum seekers who were staying at the Bell Hotel have been removed. Protests began after one of its residents was charged and convicted of sexually assaulting a child. Music star Harry Styles has begun his record-breaking 12-night residency at Wembley Stadium. It was his first concert tonight, with more than 1 million fans expected to go and see him. And it brings with it welcome perks for local businesses. Lakshmi Gopal met some of the fans who are spending their money.
The tickets are about £300 each, and then just got a top which is £70. It's quite a lot. I think it's worth it.
Good morning, Lola. Hi.